Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. We will show you a video tutorial about how to make table of content for journal. So, first of all, let's introduce ourselves. We are from group 6 with the member are the first is myself, Rofiah, the second is Siti Ayu Aminah, and the last is Ayu Safiatul Solehah. So, let's get started!
First, open a Microsoft Word document. 2. Make titles or subtitles in Microsoft Word documents. 3. Highlight or block the title of or subtitle that has been created. 4. Select a heading that matches the title or subtitle. 5. Do the highlight and headings on each exciting title or subtitle. 6. Select a blank page in the document to create a table of content.
Next, select the reference section located on the menu bar. Click Table of Contents and select the type or format of the table of contents you want. When the table of contents appears, you can adjust the font type and font size to suit the entire journal.
So, that's the tutorial that we can convey. Hopefully, it will be useful for you. Thanks for your attention. Bye-bye.